so we don't have very much space in our studio that we currently live in. So we're improvising. These are leftover boards from the gate. When he bought them, they were too long. We had to buy them like that. So we cut them off, and they're like, well, what are we going to use this for? We don't want to throw them away or give them away because we could utilize them, do something else. And so we thought, okay, we're going to make shelves for our kitchen and our bathroom with the leftover boards. So that's what we're doing right now. They're too skinny for shelves by themselves, but he's going to put them together, use two, and put another, like a bracket or a piece of wood underneath to help them hold it together. So the shelf will actually be the size of two instead of just one, because it's too skinny for one. So we're going to do double. And we'll have enough here to make 7 shelves, and then we'll have one left over that we're going to use when we get some more wood for some more shelves. So that's what we're going to do. Right now I'm just sanding the edges because these are already pretty much as smooth as they're going to get, but the edges were a little rough, and I'm just mostly just sanding the edges down and making them as smooth as I can with just regular hard sandpaper. And then after the sandpaper, after the smoothing, then I'm going to paint. Some of them were going to be red and some are going to be yellow to look better on the wall. In the kitchen we have a blue wall, so I'll probably do the shelves yellow in there. And this is also the same in the bathroom. The bathroom is also blue. Well, it's blue right now, but we're actually going to paint it yellow soon because we're going to redo the wall in the bathroom. In the bathroom, we're going to paint the wall yellow over the blue that's in there right now because there's some water damage on the ceiling and on the wall. Every time it rains, it leaks in the bathroom because the bathroom was built separately from the studio. And we also have the water containers on the roof, which puts a lot of weight on them, and it kind of has separated the roof from the bathroom and connecting to the rest of the studio. So every time it rains, we have water coming down. So we're gonna have that repaired as cheaply as possible. And then after that, we're gonna repaint the walls in the bathroom because of the mold. That's the only place in the studio where there's mold from water damage. So the walls in the studio, in the bathroom, will end up being yellow. So what I'll do is paint the shelves for the bathroom red. So just kind of mix the colors up a little bit and not have everything blending into everything else. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
how they say. It's going no longer ago I saw a video like he's very. Now he like. Okay.
Next up is the painting. I'm going to do that also, and then after the painting he's going to assemble them and put them on the wall inside the studio. So I'm really excited to see how the final product is going to look. So painting is next.
Put it like stay good together in couple, like who's next with next.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You cannot paint in like edges.
That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going over there. Hopefully it doesn't. I was thinking because it make the.
And probably you can hold it with.
I'm just gonna do it really softly.
Make it move. This is the only one light I feel was the best. The surface,
The corners.
the ending, like matches.
Yeah, it looks very smooth. Oh, it
It's
feels
like-
very smooth.
Like matches, look like matches.
Almost
Because-
exactly.
Yeah, because the rest is like, you can see a little is cricket. Okay, almost everything is cricket. This is the more like a straight cloth.
Okay.
Or the rest, everything is smooth and nice, but I try mean like a little tiny, no straight,
Yeah.
like cricket. Like I feel that was the best. Okay,
Just a-
always the last one take the best part by the cake. So and sometimes risky when you coming last, sometimes you don't find it nothing for be late.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're the last, sometimes you get it the best part. Okay, I finished my part.
Okay, I got two more to do, and then I have to do the other sides of those after those dry.
Or later I'm gonna do it like, because I'm gonna chop the one is gonna hold them together. I was saying I'm gonna do these pieces too.
Oh yeah, the small
and
ones.
Be painted too.
Okay.
I'm gonna chop it later, maybe. Yeah, the one is gonna hold them together. Yeah. Let me see if this is good. Being abandoned there.
I think it's good. It's just like that. I think it's just smaller. I mean, I think it's this.
No,
Well, it's a little.
I just say because look. I
Oh
mean,
yeah, I see
I
what
try
you
mean
mean.
this.
Yeah, the other end.
I try mean this. When I touch, I feel lose something. Oh, it's from the
Yeah, it's
bottom.
definitely bad on that side.
Yeah, so at least I can take it out. 1, 2, and 3 pieces. I pay probably like 40 cents for each one in Home Depot. This one. Yeah, this one I can use everything. And then I will start using this one, but this is very thick.
Use what we have.
Yeah, we won't use what we have. I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
And glad I buy it for a screen door.
Mhm.
Yeah, but I'm glad I can use it for us.
Other things.
Yeah, I will do it a little later.
Okay.
I won't finish this thing and I will do a little chopping this part. Or maybe I can chop it right now and make it small later. What time is it? I'm cutting everything this out. You want exactly like this. Good.
I mean, that looks fine. What's wrong with it?
No, just close to the edge.
Yeah. But I think it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, we can hide in the back. I can put it close to the edge on the front, and the back stay hiding to the wall.
Just remember where the brackets need to go even. One on the end, one in the very center, and one on the very.
Yeah. So that thing, I feel like we're gonna put it one here and one here.
Yeah, that's a good
In the
idea.
brackets, we're gonna put it here. So
Yeah.
always the center is the strong.
Mhm.
So we won't put it one here and one here. So and the bracket is gonna hold them two together because
Yeah.
one screw going here and one here and the bracket. So we're gonna put the bracket here and this one here and here because we're gonna put 3 brackets for each one. Or how many brackets we say?
3.
3. Okay.
One in center and one on each end.
Okay. So 2 brackets there and the one in the center. So that's for holding the weight. And this make it together just the wood, one here and one over here. Touch it.
Yeah, it's very professional. Nice, smooth, rounded corners. No splinters, no jagged edges.
This is different wood. Yeah, I make it tiny because it's sharp on the edges.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, touch it, touch the edges.
Yeah, very
No,
pointy.
like here.
Yeah,
like here.
it's
Yeah.
sharp.
But it's good, good. But touch this one. This one not gonna turn like that one. Even I make it.
Oh yeah, that one I don't want to get a splinter.
Yeah, even I will make it smooth. It's still not gonna look like this. How
Yeah.
different. This different. I don't know. Different tree. And also it's more thick. Look. Look.
Mm-hmm.
There's not much. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Leave it there for you. When you have chance, you can paint it. Too.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to do it today or.
Yeah, I can do it today. I mean, I already got all the paint out and everything.
Okay, I won't cut it. So how many I need these ones?
14.
14.